नेपालमा एउटा चिज that we really lack is management. We have a lot of resources, we have a lot of tech उसमै हेरौँ हैन, there's so many really good tech people, you know, there's really good developers in नेपालमा. तर the biggest thing I see that we lack is somebody who can manage developers, manage a project, manage गर्ने, and how to get them to see a vision and then get together in that. कसरी उनीहरूलाई चाहिँ एउटा company को underमै उ गर्ने. That has been a big problem जस्तो लाग्छ मलाई. Not just in companies मात्र, even in the government I see the same thing. Management is a very big problem. I think we have like really big projects going on. Government पनि कतिवटा भइरहेछ, तर management चाहिँ एकदमै कम छ त्यो उसमा चाहिँ. Management skill चाहिँ एकदमै lack गरिरहेछ जस्तो लाग्छ. So I think proper managers really make a big difference in scaling up. And to have proper managers, you have to have enough resources, enough money, so that you can waste a lot of money, not exactly waste, but spend
burn money.
Yeah, burn money in that. And that's where that investment is really needed for a company to scale up. I mean, that's, again, coming back to that's where we're doing this Startup Fest, where these startups can find money to scale up. So rather than ideation stage, when you really need to grow up, scale up, you need that big chunk of money, and that's where you look for investors, with VCs and all. And I think like looking at, I've been involved in startups in the US as well. I was part of 2 different startups when I was in the US. And I saw that same thing. When an investor sees that scaling up opportunity, that's where they put in money, a big chunk of money, and that's where it makes or breaks the company. If you have a proper structure set, then that company can really scale up well.
And fast.
Yeah. And I think that's what's needed in Nepal as well. When a startup is growing, if they can find enough money to sustain that growth, then they can really pick it up. And I think that's lacking in Nepal startup ecosystem, which we really need to add.
तपाईले हाम्रो क्लिप एकदमै एन्जॉय गर्नुभयो होला. अब पुरै भिडियो हेर्नको लागि चाहिँ YouTube मा सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नबिर्सिनु होला.